spins and got nothing. Dropped 1,000. I had 4 coins to start. Let's get, we're in a hand pay zone. We got 22 spins left. If I fill it in, I get the super grand jackpot, folks. That would be hilarious. Oh. Oh, no. Don't look now. I could use $152,000. Alright. Man, this machine. You guys, I had the 5 coins. I mean, it's him. And going nuts. Wow. Oh, no way. I've been chasing that maxed out major. Okay. Come on, retrigger. Oh, if there was buffaloes right there, that would have been nice. Just keep re-triggering. That's all we want to do. Come on, re-trigger, re-trigger. One off. Okay, come on, 2 more. There we go. We're in again. So because we're in the bonus game, we have the chance at that super grand jackpot. So let's do it. Either way, we're getting a hand pay, so I was already up about, I think I was up about 1,100, if not more than that already. So this is gonna be nice. A little cushion. Pay off a credit card or 2. Let's go. Let's get it. Come on, coins. Come on, coins. Come on. Oh, no way. No freaking way. Oh, my God. You guys, if that had been a multiplier. Oh, okay, I don't like it when it does this. When it gets all like, I'm over it, I'm over you. Which is acting like, let's get some coins. I have not seen any coins go by. Oh, multiplier. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. 3, 3, 3. Okay, what is it? What is it? Oh, Lord. Oh, crap. It's a lot. I just can't calculate. Wow. Oh my God. So I still have 5 games left. If we could get a re-trigger here, this could be a really good bonus. It already is, but... So whatever 12 times 18 times 5. My God. Yeah. There you go, Buffalo. Be nice. You're being so nice today. 1,080 on that hit. Let's get a re-trigger, please. Point out. Oh, no. Oh. Oh my god. You see how fast it goes? Okay, a last spin, folks. All right, there we go. 26.60, 35 on a $5 bet. 5-cent denom. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.